I'll be adjusting the variable speed smart drive transmission cable on a Honda HRR217VKA lawnmower. This will also work on a HRR217VLA lawnmower. If your mower is a HRR217VXA or a HRX217VKA/VLA, the procedure is different. I'll put screenshots at the end of the video showing how to adjust those cables. If you don't know your model number, look for it in this location. The cable connects the smart drive control to the transmission at this location. When the smart drive control paddles are pushed down, the cable pulls the transmission and it pivots. And it tightens the belt to engage the wheels. This 2-month-old lawnmower's cable has stretched and needs to be adjusted. As the belt wears, the cable will also need to be adjusted. To verify that the cable needs to be adjusted, set the smart drive control to the lowest position. When it's in the lowest position, the paddle will be almost parallel to the handlebar. Then slowly push the smart drive paddle down while pulling the mower backwards. While the mower is being pulled backwards, the back wheels should lock up before the paddle gets into this position. If the wheels don't lock up before the paddle gets into the fully vertical position, then the cable needs to be adjusted. About midway on the cable is an adjuster and a jam nut. Loosen the jam nut with a 10mm wrench. To get a feel for resistance, don't push the smart drive and pull backwards. The wheels should not lock up. Mark the adjuster. Tighten the adjuster 1 revolution. Don't engage the smart drive and pull the mower backwards again. Repeat the process of turning the adjuster 1 turn and pulling the mower backwards until the wheels lock up. It took 11 turns until the rear wheels started to lock up when I pulled backwards. When the cable adjustment causes the wheels to lock up, loosen the adjuster 8 turns. There are exceptions. You may only have to loosen it 4 turns. Then tighten the jam nut. Test your work by pushing down on the smart drive control while pulling backwards. The wheels should lock up before the smart drive paddles are in the vertical position. Here are the adjustments for the other models. I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Click on the channel name, Know How Now, to find other videos. And thanks for watching.